All right, it's time again for another field trip. Welcome back to the No Regrets 55 channel, and this time we're going to take a trip up to Placerville, California, and we're going to take a little quick peek here at the Hangtown Hustler. It's a 1956 gasser. This thing sits really, really high in the air, which is great for a tall guy like me to work on, because, you know, bending over stinks. My dad and I run this car in D-Gas, which is a 1060 index. He also drives this thing on the street up and down Placerville and cruising around with that 5-speed Lenco that you see there. This car has been as quick as 1044, a little over 130, and then we had to start stacking weight and slowing the car down to hit the index. It is powered by just kind of a standard 454, just a regular old big block. It's got a hydraulic roller cam in it of some size and lobe separation that I don't really know. But let's take a quick peek in here. Okay, as you can see, it is pretty true to the gasser style. It's got, no fender wells, fender well exit headers. Got a blower shop 1071, I think, sitting on top. Runs dual, I think they're Edelbrock carburetors. And the whole reason I came up here is right there, that little blow-off valve, that spring-loaded pop-off valve. We're going to put a boost gauge port in there. But while I was here, I figured I'd get some footage for you guys so you can see what we're talking about here. And we never really know what the boost numbers were on this car. It just kind of ran and we took a guess at it, and then it speeded up when we went from underdriven to overdriven. So, wow, theory proven there. It goes faster when you spin the blower faster. Okay, so we took off that pop-off plate, drilled and tapped it, and that's kind of what it looks like mocked up. And we ran a steel-braided line from the back of that pop-off valve right through the firewall, up the column, and we put a little boost gauge in the car. There you go. You just give it a slight hack, and it's already trying to make, just under 5 pounds of boost with no load on it. So there you go. That was a fun trip. Thanks for watching. All right, let's roll some video from a pass and grab some gears.